an object is shot straight up with an initial velocity of 100 feet per second, how high will it go to the nearest tenth of a foot? So here's the equation they give us for the height in feet as a function of the time in seconds with an initial velocity v naught and initial height h naught. So filling in the information that we know, the initial velocity was 100 feet per second. The initial height we'll take to be 0, ground level here, so we'll see how high it went. Now this is a parabola in t, and if we were to graph h as a function of time in seconds, the height in feet as a function of time in seconds, we start off at time equals 0, at height of 0, and then it goes up. So the maximum is at the vertex. So we're going to be looking for the vertex. The y-coordinate, or the h-coordinate in this case of the vertex, will be the maximum height. So this is a problem in finding the vertex. So the x-coordinate of the vertex, in this case the t-coordinate of the vertex, is equal to negative b divided by 2a. In this case, that's negative 100 divided by 2 times negative 16.1. And on my calculator, that comes out to be about 3.1055900621. And this is t in seconds. That's how long it will take for this object to attain its maximum height. So what we have to do is plug this value of t into the equation that we have. So I'm going to factor the t out first because it's easier to calculate that way. When something is factored, it's easier to calculate, usually. Factoring a t out makes it look like that. And now let's substitute in our value of t to calculate this value of t. So to calculate it this way, we begin by taking our value of t. It's a good idea to store that away so you don't have to re-enter it. But this one, multiply it times 16.1. That's negative 50, by the way. Negative 50 plus 100. That's 50. So this is all 50 in the parentheses times t, which is this number, which I've stored away. And here's what we get. The height, the maximum height is, drum roll please, 155.279 feet, and we're going to round up to the nearest tenth of a foot. So the 7 causes the 2 to round up to a 3. So this is about 0.3 feet. So this object will attain a maximum height of about 155.3 feet.